Join me today as we explore this luxurious 4,100 square foot home, located in the exclusive Glen neighborhood. This home's prime location offers easy access to Gallery Park and the Glen Town Center, where you can find great shopping, dining, and entertainment. With gleaming hardwood floors, attention to detail, and upgrades galore, you're not going to believe this home. The cook's kitchen has been recently remodeled with high-end appliances, stunning backsplash, and miles of countertops. The upstairs primary suite is a sanctuary of light and space, featuring walk-in dressing room and an ensuite bathroom that offers a stunning walk-in shower, dual sinks, jacuzzi tub, and gorgeous marble tiles. This home boasts not one, but two beautiful staircases. And upstairs you will find 3 additional bedrooms with large closets, a hall bath, and an updated laundry room. The lower level is the perfect entertaining space, complete with a huge rec room, bar area with a kitchenette, workout room, and a full bathroom. There's so much to love about this property. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. And if you'd like more information on this home or other homes here in the Glen, please reach out to me. And for exclusive access to all our latest listings, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.